Being broke is not the problem. Staying broke is. Let me show you how people build wealth from nothing. Step 1. Stop thinking a side hustle is about quick money. The real goal is skills. Skills become income. Income becomes wealth. Step 2. Start with services, not products. Why? Services don't need startup money. You can start with something, like editing videos, doing deliveries, cleaning cars, teaching a skill, personal training, making logos, or baking. Step 3. Use your customers to grow. Don't fight to go viral. Focus on doing good work and let people refer you. Word of mouth is free marketing. Step 4. Save from your side hustle. Don't spend it. That money is not for sneakers or fast food. That's your investment fund. Step 5. Invest in something that grows while you sleep. It can be a small business, stocks, digital products, or equipment that makes your side hustle better. You don't need money to start. You need a skill. You don't need a big income. You need discipline. Wealth is not about where you start. It's about what you do every day. So start today.